We are now going to discuss how to convert fractions into decimal numbers. Starting with this example, 8 upon 5. So how are we going to write what is the answer to 8 upon 5 in decimal format? So the first idea is just to simply divide this 8 by 5. And we know 5 ones is 5 and we have the 3 as the remainder. And if we want to continue division, we can put a decimal point over here and we can put 1 0 0 at one time, and we have 5 6 30. So now we have a remainder of 0. So this division gets over, and the answer to this is 1.6. The other idea is we can take this 8 upon 5 and we can simply multiply the numerator and denominator by such a number so that we get a 10 in the denominator, or we get 100 in the denominator, or we get 1,000 in the denominator. So that's very simple. 5 2s is 10, and so we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator also. So 8 2s is 16, and we know 16 upon 10. How to do this? Just write the numerator 16 as it is and see how many zeros are there in the denominator, provided we have a 1 in the beginning. So there is only 1 0. So we'll put a decimal point in such a way that there is only one digit after the decimal point. So by both these methods, we get the same answer, 1.6. Now let's look at the other example. Other question. What is 129 upon 8? So we are going to divide this 129 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we have 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 49. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So 8 6s are 48. And we have a 1. Now we can put a decimal point and we can put 1 0 at one time. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we have 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. We can put one more 0 at one time. And we have 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 4 remainder. We can put 1 0 at one time. And then we have 8 5s are 40. And now we have a remainder of 0. So the answer to this is 16.125. The other idea is multiplying this 8 with such a number so that we get a 10 or 100 or 1000. So is that possible? So I don't know, but let's see. Can I multiply 8 with any such number so that I get a 10, 100 or 1000? I cannot get a 10 because 10 does not come in the table of 8. We cannot get 100 also, but we can get 1000. Yes, we can get 1000 by multiplying 125. Just for your knowledge, I'm just going to show it to you. I'll just erase this first. And let me demonstrate it to you that 125 8s is 1000. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry. 2 8s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 carry, 1 8s are 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's right. So it's 1000. So we should be multiplying a 125 over there also and see if we get 16125. So let's do that also. Or you can use a calculator just to see, just to find is that really true or not. So I'll be doing it by hand. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry. 2 5s are 10, 14, 1 carry. 1 5s are 5, 6. We'll put a 0. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 5. And 2 1s are 2. And then we put 2 zeros. And 1 9s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. And let's add all together. We have 5, 2, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 9 is 21, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, and 1. Yes, we get the same thing. we get 16,125. And then 16,125 can be divided by 1000 this way. First, write the numerator as it is, and then put the decimal point in such a way that since there are 3 zeros in the denominator, we'll put a decimal point over here in such a way that there are 3 digits after the decimal point. So we get the same answer. So 129 upon 8 is 16.125. Let's take another example. 9 upon 4. So the first idea is divide the 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8. One remainder. We can put a decimal point and we can put 1 0 at one time. Some might be thinking, why are we putting 1 0 at one time? Because 9 can be understood as 9.0. So we're just bringing down the 0. So 4 2s are 8 again. And 10 minus 8 is 2. And we can again put 1 0 at one time. Again, why? Because 9 can be understood as 9.00 also. And now we are bringing down this 0. And then 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 2.25. What is the other idea? Again, rewrite 9 upon 4 and multiply a number if possible. Remember, this is not always possible. Multiply a number to 4 such a way that we get either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So the idea is we can multiply a 25 to 4 to get 100. And if you multiply a 25 to 9, you need to multiply the same number above and below in the numerator as well as denominator. So you shall be getting 225. And then write the numerator 225, and we have 2 zeros after 1. So we should be putting a point in such a way that there are 2 places after the decimal point. So we get again the same answer. And what about this? 20 upon 3. So the first way is to divide it in the corner. 20 upon 3. 3 6s are 18. And we have 2 as the remainder. And we can put a point over here and we can put 1 0 at one time. So 3 6s are 18 again. And again the remainder is 2. We can put 1 0 at one time. And we have 3 6s are 18. So you see that this goes on and on and on. So we have to stop somewhere. So we can either write this as 6.66666, and then we can put these dots in order to tell that this is going to repeat forever. Or we can rewrite this as 6.recurring 6. So this bar placed over 6 tells that the 6 is going to repeat endlessly. Or we can rewrite this as 6.recurring 6. This small dot over 6 also tells the same thing. We are going to discuss recurring digits and terminating digits after some chapters, but I hope you understood this much. Thank you for watching.